So my first ever press conference, like my first ever like moment, like entering me into a world of messing up press conferences. It was the first one. I was there for a movie called Burning Plains. I'm sitting next to like Charlize Theron and the director Guillermo Arriaga and
who's in the film?
Kim Basinger, me, Charlize Theron, and yeah. So Kim Basinger wasn't there, and we were doing an international press conference, and so somebody said, you know, like, where is Kim Basinger? And I just leaned into the microphone and was like, you didn't hear? Kim died. And then there was like a beat while it got translated, and then it was like, and then I got ripped off the stage, thrown into media training, which was hilarious because I was like Eliza Doolittle and My Fair Lady. They were like, don't sit like that, don't talk like that. And I'm like, no!
We have to make you into a star, yeah. I love it. No one would understand that joke.
Obviously, it didn't take.
Yeah, yeah. No, it worked, absolutely.